So in today's video, I'll be looking at UX index 4 hours time frame chart. When we look at the chart, we'll find out that we had price trading in this channel. The price bounced off the bottom of this channel, and gradually it broke above this very top of the channel. However, price has not been able to take off this most recent lower high, which is significant because if price is able to take it off and possibly take off 104.60, then we know that the bulls have come fully into the game. So right now we're still like having a form of indecision in the market whether this breakout of this channel will be a fake out, and if it is a fake out, that means price will gradually pull back below this rising trend line and also come back into this channel, then move down to the bottom of the channel. Then another scenario is that we may have price just move above this gray area and also move above 104.60 area. Then that will confirm that the bulls are already in control, but that wouldn't be the best time to go long because we'll have to retest the top of this channel to really prove that we are moving up. So those are the two scenarios. Either we have price push back below these very areas and return into the channel, and this breakout will become a fake out, then price will continue down to the bottom of this channel, or we have a continuation and price will break above this very area and go above 104.60, and that will open the door for price to begin to target 105.85 area. However, a pullback will be required such that there will be enough bullish momentum to move up to that area. So for now, I am keenly watching to see what price does, whether we'll have a pullback or whether we'll have a breakout to the upwards above these key levels. So that is my take on US dollar index.